These days, news is circulating on social media and many TV channels that a company has brought back a species of wolves to the Earth which was completely extinct 10,000 years ago. The claim of this company is that this is the first de-extinction of animals. The name of the company, which is claiming to bring back a species of wolves, is Dire Wolf. Remember that the same species of wolves have been shown in the famous series Game of Thrones. The company which has claimed to bring back a species of wolves, which was completely extinct, is Colossal Biosciences. Since the basis of the claims made by this company is based on science, it was necessary to make this video for us so that we can find out whether the company which is claiming is right or not. This is not the first time when a claim has been made by Colossal Biosciences, because even before this company had claimed to bring back woolly mice to the world. At that time, it was said by this company that this is a species of mouse which has genes which are present in it which are taken from a species of elephant which was extinct 10,000 years ago. Actually, this company has been trying for a long time to bring back extinct animals to the Earth. If you have seen any part of Jurassic Park, you will understand this video well, because Colossal Biosciences is also trying to bring back extinct animals. But this company is trying to bring back animals which were present on the Earth 10,000 to 20,000 years ago. In today's video, we will talk about Dire Wolf, and we'll try to find out whether Colossal Biosciences is right or not. We will also find out what is the science behind the puppies which have been produced by Colossal Biosciences. First and foremost, the puppies which have been produced by Colossal Biosciences are not Dire Wolf. You must be thinking, then what are these puppies? Because in the next video, we're going to talk about all these scientific practices. Second and foremost, even if this had happened, it would not have been the first example of de-extinction, because this work has been done 22 years ago. Therefore, the claim made by this company is also not correct. Here you can see a picture of Pyrenean ibex, which was extinct in January 2000. Pyrenean ibex was actually a species of deer which died a natural death and disappeared from the Earth. According to some experts, the reason for their extinction was a severe heart attack. However, most experts believe that this animal died a natural death. Here you can see a picture of a research paper in which it was claimed that for the first time, a species of an extinct animal has been produced again. This claim was about the Pyrenean ibex, because in 2003, 3 years after the complete extinction of this species, scientists succeeded in bringing it back. But the misfortune of the scientists was that after the birth of this extinct animal, it could not stay alive for a long time. Because when the extinction of the deer took place, and this kind of baby was born, its lungs were completely damaged, due to which it remained alive for only 7 minutes. Although Pyrenean ibex was never brought back after this, the baby born in the first attempt was actually the first de-extinct animal. The claim of Colossal Biosciences is not true that for the first time, an extinct species has been brought back to the Earth. Now, let's know what action was taken by Colossal Biosciences due to which these puppies were born, whose videos are being circulated on social media, and they're being called as dire wolves. Colossal Biosciences actually took DNA samples from 2 dying dire wolves. One of these wolves' fossils was discovered in Ohio. According to experts, this wolf died 13,000 years ago, while the other's fossils were discovered from Idaho. And according to experts, the fossils of this wolf were 72,000 years old. With the help of these DNA samples, scientists made a partial DNA, which was compared with different species after sequencing it. Now scientists started looking for different close relatives of this wolf so that they could be used. Wolves, jackals, and foxes were included in these species. After a lot of research, scientists decided to use gray wolves to bring back dire wolves. It is worth noting that these 2 species of wolves are very different from each other. Here you can see pictures of both of them. In these pictures, it can be clearly seen that these 2 species of wolves are physically similar, but a lot of them are different from each other. In the picture, on the left is gray wolf, and on the right is dire wolf. No one knows what dire wolves looked like or what their color was. But according to the experts, there is a high possibility that they were not white, whereas the puppies that were made from their DNA were white. During the last glaciation period of the Earth, most of the big animals were extinct. Similarly, dire wolves were also completely extinct 10,000 years ago. Why did this happen? What is the secret? No one knows the truth. According to some experts, the reason for this was the change in the climate, due to which it was not possible to survive for these hunting animals. Since the different species of wolves have many similarities with each other, the people working in Colossal Biosciences thought that they could bring back dire wolves. But the biggest mistake made by Colossal Biosciences was that they used gray wolves as egg donors. Since researchers had to use an animal's egg to produce a baby, they chose gray wolves. A lot of research has been done on these two species, the link to which is given in the description of the video. This research made it clear that dire wolves and gray wolves are not just two different species, but there is a lot of difference between them. Another interesting thing to tell you here is that when dire wolves were present, they were completely different from other wolves. According to most experts, they were a separate species of animals, due to which no type of genes were transferred to other types of wolves. In simple words, comparing a gray wolf to a dire wolf is exactly the same as comparing humans to chimpanzees. Dire wolves looked a bit like African geese, but their similarities with them were purely physical because they were considered a separate species of animals. Since we know that dire wolves and gray wolves are separate species, Colossal Biosciences has used gray wolves' eggs to give birth to gray wolves, which already have different characteristics. That is, they're different from their parents and ancestors, but not dire wolves. Looking at the report published by Colossal Biosciences, it seems that this company took the DNA of the gray wolf and modified it through the CRISPR method from 20 to 25 billion base pairs. This was done in 14 different genes. After this, the researchers took the modified DNA and again included it in the gray wolf's eggs. These eggs were implanted in domestic dogs. The puppies whose videos are now going viral on social media, they were born from the stomach of Palta dogs. 3 puppies have been born from this modified DNA, so FA2 of which are males named Romulus and Remus, while there is a female named Halsey. These puppies have different characteristics from gray wolves, because their DNA is more modified than before. This claim by Colossal Biosciences is nothing more than a publicity stunt that they have succeeded in bringing back the dire wolves. If you like the video, and for more such interesting, informative, and educational videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.